Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get free SMS notifications whenever a trigger is made with Zapier. This is incredibly useful if you want instant alerts on your phone for important emails or events without constantly checking your inbox. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where you want to set up this automation. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your Zapier dashboard where all your automation workflows live. Now look for the Zap button and click on it. This is where you'll start building your automation from scratch. Zapier works by connecting two or more apps together, so we'll be setting up a trigger and an action to make this work seamlessly. Next, click on the trigger button. The trigger is what starts your automation, basically telling Zapier when to send you that SMS notification. In the search bar that appears, type in Gmail and select it as your trigger app. This means Zapier will monitor your Gmail account for specific events. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the trigger event you want. For this tutorial, select New Conversation. This will trigger the automation whenever a new email thread starts in your inbox. Once you've selected that, you'll need to connect your Gmail account to Zapier. Click on the option to sign in and follow the prompts to authorize access, then click Continue. Now it's time to set up what happens when that trigger fires. Click on the Action button. This is where you decide what Zapier should do once it detects a new email. In the search field, type SMS by Zapier and select it from the results. This built-in Zapier feature allows you to send SMS messages without needing a third-party service. Choose the Send SMS action event from the options and click Continue. This tells Zapier that you want it to send a text message to your phone whenever the trigger condition is met. In the next step, you'll need to enter your phone number in international format. For example, if you're in the US, type +1 followed by your area code and phone number. Make sure you format it correctly as this ensures the SMS reaches you without issues. After entering your number, click Send PIN. Zapier will send a verification code to your phone via SMS to confirm it's really you. Check your messages, grab that PIN, enter it into the field provided, and click Continue. This verification step is important for security and to prevent unauthorized use. Now comes the fun part, customizing your message. In the message field, you can type exactly what you want to receive when the trigger happens. You might want to include details from the email like the sender's name or subject line. Zapier gives you options to insert dynamic content here, so take advantage of that to make your notifications as informative as possible. Once you're happy with your message setup, take a moment to review all your Zap settings. Make sure everything looks correct, from your trigger event to your phone number and message content. When you're satisfied, click Publish Zap to activate it. Your automation is now live and will start sending you SMS notifications whenever a new conversation appears in your Gmail. And there you have it, you've successfully set up free SMS notifications with Zapier. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.